Good. And relax this right shoulder. Beautiful. Good. We're going to adjust this SI joint, the sacroiliac, where it combines from that tailbone of your sacrum into L5. I'm going to take my hypothenar, place it right here in that joint. Slow and steady, just roll. Good. Perfect. Good. Other side. Good. What's up, guys? It's your boy Dr. Drew at Forza Chiropractic. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not seen our videos, you guys want daily ASMR, you guys want treatment, you guys want tips and tricks on how to have better posture without pain, take a look at us. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Today I'm here with Isabella. This is her second video. Welcome back to the page, Isabella. A little round of applause, okay? Currently, Isabella is finished her corrective care program. She's under maintenance, so we wanted to just do a part 2 of this video series that we did with her originally for her to kind of review and kind of go through the steps that she's been through and kind of give the viewers a little bit about what we do in this office. So originally she came with lower back pains, a corporate worker, so she's sitting all day, hunched over at a desk, exercise, works out at the gym, but again, a lot of forward posture, that anterior dominance, led to lower back pain, went to another chiropractor, was not getting relief, came to our office as a referral, which we appreciate, thank you, and finally got relief. And now we don't need to see her weekly. All right, so Isabella, just tell the viewers a little about yourself, kind of the transition over the last 3 or 4 months that you've seen, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, I'm a corporate worker. I work upwards of 12 hours a day. I've been standing a lot more at my desk since Doc yelled at me, so that's helped a lot. I don't know, the treatment's just been helping. The 3 times a week was honestly a hassle schedule-wise, but we made it work. I'm now working out without pain, sitting at my desk without pain. I played a round of golf on Sunday without pain, so it's working. It's
huge. So I always tell patients it's like taking off an airplane. Here's where at the tarmac, the takeoff or the essentially ascending up to 30,000 feet would be that treatment, okay? Once we're 30,000 feet, that check engine light stays off. We're gonna edit that because I fucked that up. Seatbelt sign comes off. All right, now you can walk around the plane. Think about that as now you're level and balanced. So as far as like turbulence, stress, trauma, things like that, that's gonna happen in life. But if you're level and balanced, you're gonna be smooth sailing. The problem is when we're here and we have those issues, we're gonna go further in the path of pain and problems, which just causes a spiral reaction. So we don't want that for any of our patients. That's why we have everyone do corrective care and build you that maintenance. That way you can adapt to your life, whether that's work, stress, things like that. Anything that we kind of set our goals to place here as well. And without further ado, we're going to go through her full spine adjustment as well. We'll leave a link to her original video if you guys want to see that too. That was about the first week of treatment that we saw Isabella. So truly appreciate her, trust us with her health. It is a time commitment, but the proof is in the pudding, and she literally gets the results just like everybody, and we have objective x-ray findings to prove that. So again, if you guys haven't seen these videos, you guys want more, have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like, hit that follow button. We'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, we're gonna warm up Isabella's back with our Hypervolt. Shout out to our boys at Hypervolt. Any muscle massage gun is fine. We prefer the Hypervolt Plus. It's got a little bit more power and a couple different tools that you can use with it, but any name brand or any off brand is good. It's a little difficult to do this by yourself, guys, so if you guys have a partner, what I always tell patients is that you wanna go on each side of these little dots that you feel, those bumps, okay? You don't want to go directly on those bumps. Those are called spinous processes. Those are on the back of the vertebrae. They run from the back of your neck all the way down your butt. You want to stay off those because if you put pressure on them, it's going to irritate that vertebrae, cause discomfort and pain as well. So currently, like we talked about, Isabella is in maintenance care, so she's only seen twice a month for tune-ups. All right, if she has something that comes up, she's more than welcome to call us, but we don't want her to become dependent on us. Now that she's structurally sound, we want to stabilize her and just let her body keep that momentum that we've built. So it's just like if you guys were to go to the gym and you want to lose 30 pounds, you can't do it overnight. That's why it takes time and effort. Once you're there, you don't need to work out 5 days a week like you did before. Okay, you can pull back. You still have to maintain what you're eating, okay? So similar to, you still have to maintain that you're drinking water, stretching like you're doing here, but we don't need to see you weekly. That pressure okay? Perfect. Big stretch here. Good. it's always positive to hear patients are able to go back and do the things that they want to do, from, you know, whether it's going back to the gym, picking up their kids without pain, golfing, exercising, running 5Ks. So it's a positive sign as well. Good. All right, guys, we're gonna start by adjusting the mid back here, then go into her upper back. Like she said, she's hunched over the computer all day, so she's got a lot of tension in what we call the CT junction, the cervical thoracic junction. Again, she did originally come in with lower back pain, but just being a corporate worker sitting all day, having that forward posture, leaning, again, as you guys know, probably watching this video, just like this, puts a lot of tension and stress over time. So we're gonna get these areas adjusted, then adjust her lower backs and hip, and then we're gonna go from there. So deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect, good. How was that?
Good.
Good. Relax this right shoulder. Beautiful. Good. All right, we're gonna adjust this right hip. So lay on your left. So what are you gonna have for dinner?
I have no idea yet.
How has your hydration been?
Good.
Good. Again, we're going to adjust this SI joint, the sacroiliac, where it combines from that tailbone or your sacrum into L5. I'm going to take my hypothenar, place it right here in that joint. Slow and steady, just roll. Good. Perfect. Good. Other side. Good movement today. Your workout's been good?
Yes.
Good. Good. On your back. We're gonna do a decompression pull. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a decompression. A lot of guys call it Y-strap, ring dinger, whatever you wanna call it. We call our decompression stretch an adjustment. We don't do this every visit, but when we need to open up that spine, stretch out those discs, we essentially do this. So as you guys seen, we're gonna do a couple pulls. Don't try this at home. Good. Good. Just relax. One more. Good.
Oh, God.
Good. Stay right there. Whew. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Tell the viewers how you feel.
Phenomenal, but awful at the same time.
It's one of those adjustments, guys, where you get it, you're like, man, that was crazy. And then like an hour later, like, wow. You just feel amazing.
Right? In the long run.
100%. So
In the moment, it's a shock to the system.
huge shock to the system. But again, it's not done every time. It's not done on every patient. So we're not doing this on 85-year-old old ladies. Okay, we don't do that. Okay, everything is tailored specifically to the patient. We're not just doing this to little kids, nothing like that. Make sure you definitely go to a chiropractor to do this adjustment. Don't try it at home. Okay, we do not recommend that at all. But again, watch our videos. If you guys have any questions or concerns or things that we can do to help you guys to understand what's going on, or things that you have questions about an exercise, a stretch, how we can make it better, let us know in the comments below. Isabella, thank you for trusting us with your health. Okay, it's been a pleasure, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.